Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos. But before we get started, feel free to sign up for my free webinar training down below where I go over my 10 ways to go viral on YouTube. It's absolutely free, you got nothing to lose, and it also includes my $5,000 course guarantee, which you do not want to miss. So with that being said, let's get started with this video. So again, this video is about how to make money on YouTube without making videos. And what started it for me was this channel called Watch Mojo. So if you're someone who's watching this, you either one, don't have the time to be making videos yourself, or two, you're kind of an introvert like me. You're scared to show your face on camera, or number three, you're simply just, you have that fear of being on camera. And that was me about 3 years ago. So I came across this channel called Watch Mojo, and I absolutely became immersed in these types of videos. These are top 10 style countdown videos, and the cool thing is that they don't show face usually. Okay, some of these videos do show their face, but in yours and my case, we do not have to show our face in our videos. So the really cool thing with Watch Mojo is that they've been around since 2006 or 2004. Either way, they've been around for a very long time. So for all those people who are saying, oh, YouTube automation is going to die, cash cow channels are going to die, faceless YouTube channels are going to die, YouTube's going to completely slash all the revenue, Watch Mojo is a Canadian, Montreal-based company who hire an entire group of people to make videos like this, and they have been in business for close to 20 years now. Let that be proof that this model of YouTube will not die that easily. Okay, so analyze Watch Mojo. I've watched all the interviews. I've watched who their CEO is. His name is Ashkan Karbufushan, but they make viral videos, faceless viral videos, and they are basically the pioneers of doing this model of YouTube. They are one of the first people to do this, and they did it right, and they did it successfully. So tying to the actual topic of how to make money on YouTube without making videos, we want to talk about the idea of outsourcing. Okay, so what is outsourcing? It's the act of hiring out work to other individuals, and these are usually contractors, or you can hire them as full-time employees. It's up to you. But I imagine if you're watching this, you are new to YouTube automation, you are new to cash cow YouTube channels, you are new to faceless YouTube channels. Outsourcing is how you make money on YouTube without making videos. You basically hire out the work to other individuals. And so outsourcing, okay, you need to find a team online. So let me kind of retitle this. We'll tell it to outsourcing a team online. So these are all the roles that you need to hire out in order to create YouTube videos without making them yourself. Okay, so you need a script writer, you need a voiceover artist, you need a video editor, you need a description writer, you need a thumbnail artist, and you need an uploader, unless you want to do it yourself. Okay, and you are more than welcome to do any of these tasks yourself. I would actually even include researcher up here. Okay, recently that's been a role for me, but again, you can do any of these roles yourself as well. But the point of you clicking in this video, right, is to how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So these are all the roles you'll need. Sometimes one person can fulfill multiple roles, but outsourcing a team online, I usually find them on Fiverr or Upwork. About 90% of my team comes from Upwork, actually. I would say about 70%, 20% comes from word of mouth. So people do actually reach out to me asking if they can work for me. I'm not sure how it worked, but I am creating a massive amounts of videos online. And sorry if you hear that scratching, that is my dog getting ready for bed when she goes around in a circle. But outsourcing a team online, Fiverr, Upwork, it doesn't matter where you get them, you just need to fulfill all these roles. And one of the questions you might be wondering is, how much should I spend on one video? When I very first started YouTube, I was paying about $80 for a video, and nowadays I still sometimes spend up to $100, but that's because I believe in quality videos. So if it's gonna be like the absolute blast of a quality video, I'd be more than willing to fork over $100 just for a good quality video. So I don't recommend spending over $100 per video. However, 80, 60, average low, okay, that's what I recommend in terms of how much you should pay just for one video. So when it comes to finding a team like this, finding all these people, you want to make sure they're communicative, okay? And sorry, there's actually another role you probably need, because you will need a project manager if you want to scale. And what the project manager does is that he'll be the one to coordinate amongst the team. Once the script writer finishes the script, you'll send it to the voiceover. Once the voiceover artist finishes his or her voice, you'll send it to the video editor, and that's what the project manager does. He handles all the files and organizes them very well. So outsourcing a team online, there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 roles to fulfill that at least consists of, at most, let's say, 8 individuals. You'll start to see that this model of YouTube, it's no joke. It does require a full-fledged team just to create a single video. But that's how to make money on YouTube without making videos, okay? If you don't want to do any of the work, me, for example, I spend less than an hour per week, let's say like 4 hours per week, actually managing my channels, okay? My systems are so pristine. I've worked very, very hard in making sure that my systems for creating automated YouTube channels, creating videos on autopilot, they've been so fine-tweaked that I spend almost little to no time a week managing my YouTube channels, which is really cool, okay? I kid you not that the benefit of making money on YouTube without making videos is very, very cool once you have systems in place. So the next topic, or last topic I want to go over, is scale, okay? The idea of scaling. So the really cool thing about this model of YouTube, this business model essentially, is that making videos without making them yourself and using outsourcing, you can hire more people, and the more people you hire, the more videos you can create. So currently my team is creating about 1,000 videos per month. I think we peaked at around 4,000 videos one month before, and that's because we have so many clients. But at the same time, with your team, you can hire more people, and the more people you hire, the more videos you can create. But just be careful that quality does not diminish. Recently this year, I made one of the biggest mistakes of expanding too quick. And what I noticed when I started watching my videos that I was creating even for my own channels is that the quality started to diminish. The people I started hiring, they just wanted to churn out videos because there were so many videos to do. They just wanted to churn out videos, and eventually the quality started to die down. And that's why I created guidelines. That's why I created SOPs in order to make sure that quality does maintain. So scaling, it's not as simple as like I make it sound simple here, okay? I do admit, but don't take that interpretation of that just because you hire more people, the more people you hire, the more videos you can create, which is true, but just make sure that quality does not diminish, right? That's the idea of scaling, is scaling with quality. That's very, very important. So aside from that, that's how to make money on YouTube without making videos. Hopefully this video gives you some insight to start your own YouTube channel, especially for all those people who are camera shy just like me, don't feel comfortable talking on camera, don't feel comfortable showing their face, don't feel comfortable hearing their own voice actually as well. This is a really, really cool model of YouTube, complete outsourcing, especially if you have loads of money. Gosh, you can hire so many people to make so many videos for you, and you will have so many chances at viral videos. It'll be a learning experience for you. But at the same time, each video that you post is like an experiment. You do need to let it sit in the algorithm, see what works, see what doesn't work. But I have no doubt that whoever is watching this video, you especially, you will make money on YouTube without making videos technically. All right. So with that being said, that's all I have for this video, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. All right. I really do appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help you out, answer any questions that you have, especially in regards to YouTube based on my experience. But aside from that, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.